Hi my lovely people, you welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Mariama. You are highly welcome. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will not miss any of my new videos. If you are returning subscribers, thank you very much darlings. I really appreciate all the love, all the support. So in today's video, we're going to unbox my new iPhone 12 Pro Max. Yes, iPhone 12 Pro Max. I got myself a big gift for my birthday, for my early Christmas gift. Yeah, so the girl is so excited to do this video. I am very excited to do this video. So guys, don't forget to follow me in my social medias, in Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, and in Twitter. Yeah, the girl is everywhere, going everywhere. It's among the system. So guys, let's see this new surprise. Yeah, so let's unbox it together. Okay guys, so here is the surprise. The girl is in love. This is how the box is. I got it like this. This is how the box is. So I'm going to unbox it with you guys. So let's unbox it together. So first, okay. Wow. Let's see what is inside. Okay. Here we are unboxing it. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 9, 9, 10. Wow. I'm kissing my new baby. You know, this iPhone is my new baby. This is how the phone look like. Okay guys, let's see. Oh my god, just look at this, guys. It's so cute. The iPhone is so nice. Just look at the sides here. Oh my god, it's a silver color. Oh my god, don't mind me, you know. Okay, let's see. I'll remove the paper on top. Oh my god, I don't want to mess the phone. I don't want to make the phone to be dirty. Wow, guys. It's so cute. This is so nice. It's so nice, guys. I'm in love with it. Okay, let's turn on the phone and see. Okay, whilst we wait, the phone is on the process. Okay, when you on it is like this. As you can see, the phone is on. I have no idea how to set all this thing, but I'm going to ask for help so that I can set the phone. Let's wait. Whilst the phone is on the process, I show you guys what is inside the box. It comes with this Apple card, something like that. I don't have no idea on it. And then it comes with this cable. The thing with the iPhone 12, it comes with only the cable. So I think the charger head, you have to buy it for yourself, or if you was using an old iPhone, then you can use the head, because it comes with this old cable. And then it does not have headphone. It does not come with headphone. It just comes with the phone and the cable and this Apple card here, only this. So if you have an old iPhone, you can use your old head to fix it on the cable and then to charge your phone. Yeah, so it does not come with headphone, it does not come with nothing. I decided to buy this one for myself so that I can use it with the phone. So let's see what is inside the phone. Anyway, on the phone is asking me to get the internet password. So guys, let me get the password and come back very soon. So it's asking me to wait for some minutes to activate it. So let's wait. So now it's here. As you can see, asking me to continue. So let me continue. Okay, continue. Face ID, you can set your face on the phone. Face ID, okay. Let me see face ID. Step, see, start. So I'm going to start. Got start, okay. So without my face, no one can open it. Without my face, no one can open it. Set continue. After when I set my face, here. After when I set my face, say continue. Okay. Create a passcode. So, yeah, again. Okay. So now it's loading, as you can see. Okay guys, so now I have to download this iOS in my Android so that I can transfer everything from my Android phone to the iPhone. Everything from here to here. So it's like, oof, this is so amazing. Let's see guys. Open. So as you can see the two here my iPhone and my Android. So it asks me continue. So the code is here. Enter this code on your Android device. You see, enter this code on your Android device. So set email, agree, allow. Okay guys, move to iPhone. Okay, iOS. So let me enter the code and see. Okay, so now it's loading. Guys, this is a big magic between iPhone and Android. So as you can see, my Android is loading here. Move to iOS. You can see everything is marked here. Wow. Alright. The Android asks me to continue. Okay. So now from Android to iPhone, everything is downloading here. Woo! Wow, there is some people who are scared to get iPhone. They think that the things they have from their Android cannot go inside the iPhone. But as you can see, I'm doing the review now. This is my Android phone and this is my iPhone. You don't have to be scared. Everything is easy. Now they are best friends, Samsung and iPhone. They are best friends. What a business. It's a good deal. So it will take about some minutes before everything will go here. So let's wait and see. It used to take a little bit time. As you can see, it's still transferring from the Android to the iPhone. So it's taking a little bit time. We still need some patience. When I buy this phone, I did not get the protector for the screen and then I did not get the cover. So I will try tomorrow to get myself a new cover and a new cover and a new protector, because for me and phones, girl don't have to get angry when she have the phone on the hand. It's very bad attitude. Yeah. That's me guys, honestly, I'm telling you who I am. Oh my gosh, this thing is taking the whole lot of time. The whole lot of time. When are you gonna finish? We need time. We need some patience. We need patience. We need time. Very soon. It serves me that left a minute. Let's say a minute. Bum bum bum. Bum bum bum. A minute. It's almost there. It's almost there. Okay, iPhone asked me done. Okay, iPhone asked me done. Sorry, Android asked me done. Okay, Android asked me done. So let's see what iPhone will say. Continue setting up your iPhone. Okay, baby, I will do that. I will do that. I will do that. Okay. So he asked me my email ID. My email ID, okay. Guys, just a minute. Something interesting is happening here. My email ID. I'm not gonna say it on camera because it's my own private email. So now it's done here. I have to continue with the settings. Okay. Here is it. As you can see, ask me to continue. Set up later in settings. Okay. Okay. I have to set up later on the settings. Still, I have to continue. Still now. Still continue. Okay. 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 Oh my God. Thanks to set. Welcome to iPhone. As you can see, all my applications are here. This is all my applications here. Yeah, so you said no SIM card. It's right, because the new phone, I did not put my SIM card yet inside. So as you can see, it writes me no SIM card. This is the app on the phone. As you can see, everything is here. I'm really happy. The apps I have on the phone. Okay, here we are, baby. I love. Okay, it's not about everything. I hear some people say the girls, they like iPhone because of pictures. No, for me, I don't like the iPhone because of pictures. I like the iPhone because of my own personal thing. You know, because I'm a small YouTuber, I need the phone to do a lot of things, but I don't like the iPhone because of the pictures. Now, I have my digital camera, so if I want to get pictures, I will just grab my digital camera and have nice pictures. So that's it. Don't mind my craziness. The girl is just flexing, you know, with the early Christmas gift and the birthday gift. It's both true, early Christmas and birthday gift. So I'm flexing, you know. So don't be mad at me. Don't say this girl is sick, she's this, she blah blah. No, I'm just relaxing. Okay guys, this was my unboxing new iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if you love this video, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up and share the videos to family and friends. And see you guys in my next video. And I love you all. And I will always love you guys.